The Renault Austral, debuting in 2023, is set to replace the older Kadjar model. This new vehicle is Renault's inaugural model to be built on the third-generation CMF-CD platform. One of its standout features is its revamped design, with the compact crossover showcasing a novel exterior and a technologically advanced cabin. In terms of dimensions, the Austral measures 4.51 meters in length, 1.83 meters in width, and 1.62 meters in height, with a 2.67-meter wheelbase. This makes it slightly longer and taller than the Kadjar, albeit a bit narrower, and it also boasts a more extended wheelbase. The car's cargo capacity ranges between 500 to 575 liters, contingent on whether it has a fixed or sliding rear bench. Under the hood, the Austral is powered by a turbocharged 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine, complemented by mild hybrid technology. This setup is touted as a genuine alternative to diesel, especially since there's no diesel option available for this model. The engine, combined with a 48 volts lithium-ion battery and starter motor, produces 130 horsepower, which is transmitted to the wheels through a 6-speed manual gearbox. This mild hybrid advanced configuration ensures fuel consumption as low as 5.3 liters per 100 kilometers, with low CO2 emissions. Without the hybrid technology, the engine's fuel consumption would have been 20% higher. Another variant is the mild hybrid with a larger 4-cylinder 1.3-liter gasoline engine co-developed with Mercedes-Benz. This version works in tandem with a 12 volts lithium-ion battery, a starter motor, and either a 6-speed manual or an Xtronic automatic transmission. Depending on the transmission, the power output is either 140 or 160 horsepower, with the latter also delivering 270 newton-meters of torque. This more powerful system has a fuel consumption of 6.2 liters per 100 kilometers per hour. The E-Tech hybrid model is the full hybrid variant centered around a 1.2-liter engine. This model always starts in electric mode and offers a combined power output of either 160 or 200 horsepower. Its fuel efficiency is impressive, consuming just 4.6 liters per 100 kilometers. Renault claims this makes it one of the most environmentally friendly hybrid crossovers in its category. In terms of suspension, the base models come with a torsion beam rear suspension. In contrast, the pricier versions are equipped with not only a multi-link suspension, but also rear-wheel steering, known as 4Control Advanced in its latest iteration. When it comes to technology, the Austral is generously equipped. It features a 9.3-inch head-up display, a 12-inch vertical touchscreen, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, matrix LED headlights, a 360-degree camera, and all the necessary driver assistance systems to achieve Level 2 autonomy. A notable introduction in the 2023 Austral is the Esprit Alpine, which serves as the top-tier trim level with a sportier appearance. This version rides on 20-inch wheels with a black aluminum finish and Alpine branding. The exterior showcases various styling enhancements, including black accents and an exclusive satin shale gray body color. Inside, the cabin is adorned with a combination of Alcantara, Napa leather, and twill fabric that mimics carbon fiber. Blue stitching and piping, aluminum pedals, and door sills bearing the Alpine logo further enhance its premium feel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.